question number 70 from the chapter 1.5 problems. It asks us to simplify the expression tan of the arc sine of x. Now notice here how I've colored this. The x and the tan are actually colored the same because they both represent ratios, and the arc sine is colored in red because it represents an angle. So if I were to draw the picture of this, this is what the picture looks like. X is the sine ratio, so x over 1 is the same as x. So I've drawn the x over 1 ratio in the picture. The arc sine of x is really the angle theta. Okay, so I'm just going to draw that in. So the arc sine of x really is the same as the angle theta. So really what I'm being asked for is, what is the tan of theta? So tan of theta, I just need the adjacent side and the opposite side. So adjacent side is going to be the square root of 1 minus x squared. And then when I write the tan ratio, it's just going to be x over the square root of 1 minus x squared. So there is a simplified form of the tan ratio when I simplify this expression. So in the same vein, we can do the same for the next 71. The angle, arc tan, is the angle theta here. So I'm just going to, again, make sure I define that. The arc tan angle is the theta in the picture. Tan x is my ratio. Sorry, x is my ratio for tan. So I'm going to draw my picture of rise of x, run of 1. So x over 1 represents my tan ratio. And this question basically is asking, what is the sine of the angle theta? What's the sine in this picture? Well, the sine in that picture is going to be opposite over hypotenuse. The hypotenuse, using Pythagoras, is going to be x squared plus 1. So now I can simplify this sine ratio as the vertical over the hypotenuse, which is square root x squared plus 1. So there is a simplified expression for that, the expression sine of the arctan of x. And notice that I'm starting with a ratio, I am ending with ratio pieces.